Hey everyone, this is Nimish from Tech2 and I've just got out of the ASUS booth, and ASUS launched a range of laptops in its ZenBook category. So you have the ZenBook 13-inch, 14-inch, 15-inch, the ZenBook Pro 14-inch, the ZenBook Flip 13 and 15-inch, and a special edition ZenBook S. Now the ZenBook S was the most exciting amongst all the other ZenBooks because it's really light and really thin. It also promises a 20 hours of battery life, and it can house up to Intel Core i7 processors, the 8th Gen ones. It has dual USB Type-C ports on the side, and when you close it, it measures just 12.9 millimeters thick. The other interesting laptop that ASUS launched was the ZenBook Pro 14. Now the ZenBook Pro 14 comes with a dual screen design form factor. So it basically has a display inside the trackpad, and this display does not just show you the numpad, but you can actually customize it to use it in different modes. So you have the expanded display mode, which basically sort of expands your original LCD display into the trackpad. The other mode is having a contextual menu inside the dual display. So for instance, say you're working in Word or Excel documents, you will have some basic feature sets right in your trackpad as you go about with your work. So this is a pretty interesting use case, but we'll have to see if this comes in India and what price it will be launched at. Other interesting ZenBook was the ZenBook Flip. Now this comes in the 13-inch and the 15-inch form factor. With the ZenBook Flip, you get a nano edge display. So there is a very slim bezel along the sides, and it can actually flip all the way around and form like a tent mode. It also has a very uniquely placed webcam. It's actually just placed on the corner of one of the keyboard in addition to the webcam that you see on top of the display. The other interesting theme with the ASUS laptops was this design trend called Ergo Lift. Now what the Ergo Lift does is basically you have the display flap extending slightly ahead, and when you raise the flap, it kind of raises the entire keyboard surface. So that gives a little bit of gap for air vents and for airflow, and so on and so forth. It also, because the keyboard is at an angle, it helps with typing instead of having the keyboard flat on the desk. So that was one design trend that was seen in a lot of ASUS ZenBooks at the ASUS booth. Thank you for watching.